everybody. It's great to be with you again. I hope you're all safe and well. And thank you for taking the time out of your very busy day to watch this short video on ways to be helpful. In the skill of encouragement, which is one of the 7 skills of conscious discipline, we want to encourage children to be helpful. And the ways that we do this is first by explaining to them what those things are. Because children on their own, not necessarily, may come up with the same list of helpfulness that we provide for them. So one way that we can give children a way to be helpful is through a little poster board, something similar to this. Now, this is written out in sentences if your children can read. If they can't, you can draw pictures of what it is that you would like them to do in helpful ways. And so I can pick up things on the floor. That's being helpful. I can share my materials. That's being helpful. And by giving children a visualization of what it is that they are to do, and like I said, if they can't read, maybe a different way of visualizing it for them are through pictures. And so we tell children and show children and explain to them what those ways are that are helpful. And so by encouraging them to do this, we are not only giving them the visualization so that they understand what the tasks are, but we're also honoring helpfulness, which is ultimately our goal. We want to not only show them how to be helpful, encourage them how to be helpful, but when they are being helpful, we also want to acknowledge it. We want to make sure that we notice that they've been helpful. And what this will do, it promotes helpfulness. And it's amazing how helpful children really want to be. But you need to set them up for success by giving them the tools that they will need, whether it's visually or whether it's through sentences. We want them to be clear as to what our ways for helpfulness are so that they can attend to those and we can honor them and celebrate them when they've accomplished a helpful job. And I know in my classroom, children are always wanting to help. And so ways to be helpful is one way that they can do that. And of course, when they feel good about themselves, they are more willing and more open to being even more helpful. And we will talk about the job boards at a little later date. But the job board does the same thing as ways to be helpful. It gives them responsibility. It's building up their self-esteem as well as encouraging their helpfulness. So I hope this has helped you to understand the importance of visualizing our ways to be helpful so that we can encourage children to do the right thing, to keep our areas safe and healthy, and maybe get an accolade or 2 in the process. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye now.